iAgents can turn wallets into gateways for real community experiences. By verifying NFT ownership, they can unlock access, reward fans, support creator payments, and personalize interactions, while keeping activity connected to smart contracts and safer Web3 workflows. So far, we've built the stack step by step: agent reasoning, blockchain basics, wallet connections, and smart contract workflows. Now we move from the tools themselves to the value they can create for communities using NFTs and memberships for access, support, rewards, and creator monetization. Think of an NFT less as a picture and more as a digital key in someone's wallet. That key can prove access to a course, a community, an event, or a VIP tier. An agent can check ownership on chain, then decide what to do next: unlock premium content, offer member support, issue rewards, or recognize identity. The key shift is that personalization comes from verifiable ownership, not another username and password. An NFT ownership check comes down to matching 5 pieces of data. The wallet address identifies who is claiming access. The contract address identifies which collection or membership contract to query. The token ID points to the exact asset when the rule depends on a specific NFT. The token standard, such as ERC-721 or ERC-1155, determines how ownership or balances are read. And the blockchain network makes sure the query happens on the right chain. The core pattern is simple: convert wallet ownership into an authorization signal. A user provides a wallet address, and the agent sends it to an ownership tool. That tool checks the NFT contract directly through an RPC provider or through an indexing API using calls like balanceOf or ownerOf. If the required token is present, the agent unlocks the experience. If it is not, the agent can deny access, offer guidance, or personalize a different response. The exact ownership check depends on the rule you are enforcing. If access requires any NFT from a collection, call balanceOf for the wallet and confirm the balance is greater than 0. If access depends on one specific ERC-721 token, call ownerOf for that token ID and compare the result to the wallet. For ERC-1155, ownership is tracked per token type, so check balanceOf with both the wallet and the token ID. In this pattern, the agent should not reason directly over raw blockchain calls. Instead, it asks a narrow tool, such as check and fifth ownership, using the wallet, contract, and chain. The tool performs a read-only contract query, like balanceOf, then returns a clean result. Owns NFT true or false, along with the method, contract, wallet, and chain as evidence. This keeps the agent's decision simple, while preserving enough detail for testing, logs, and debugging. Ownership is only the signal. The design question is what that signal unlocks. Start by defining access rules before writing verification logic. What is public? What requires membership? What is premium? And what is reserved for admins? For sensitive actions, never trust a typed wallet address alone. Require real ownership proof. Also, plan what happens when verification fails, and log each decision so support, audits, and debugging have a reliable trail. A community agent can act like the front desk for a token-gated group, such as Creator Pass. It pulls from docs, announcements, forums, and Discord history, then checks wallet status before responding. A visitor might receive minting instructions. A holder can get benefit details or event access steps. A moderator may receive policy context and summaries of prior discussions. When an issue becomes sensitive, confusing, or conflict-heavy, the agent should route it to human mods instead of improvising. Role-specific help is powerful because one agent can serve viewers, members, VIPs, moderators, and creators differently. But every response still needs verification and policy checks first. Use least privilege. Give each user only the guidance or tool access their role requires. For sensitive actions, recheck wallet ownership or role status in real time. And remember, prompts are not permissions. A user asking the agent to ignore rules should never bypass protected data, moderation tools, or creator controls. Fast-moving communities produce more information than any member can track. A useful agent turns that stream into a trusted update pipeline. It collects announcements, proposals, creator posts, events, and support threads. Then it filters noise, retrieves approved sources, and summarizes only what matters. Each summary is tagged for the right audience, such as public members, holders, contributors, or moderators. Citations and links make the answer verifiable, so convenience does not replace trust. For creator commerce, the agent is more than a chatbot. It becomes the service layer around access. A course NFT might unlock tutoring. A subscription might unlock premium answers, content generation, or workflow automation. A token gate might open templates, private lessons, or a community. Fan programs can turn collectibles, points, and badges into recognition. The pattern is straightforward. Connect a clear payment or ownership event to a clear benefit the agent can deliver. Usage-based payments let an agent charge only when value is delivered. A user requests a premium action, such as a question, image, API call, or workflow. The system quotes a price, often in USDC, then asks the wallet to pay. After on-chain confirmation, the agent checks credits, limits, or contract state before running the task. Finally, the result is delivered and usage is logged off-chain, so balances, billing, and access stay consistent. NFT and creator agents operate close to identity, money, and community trust, so safety cannot be an afterthought. Verify ownership against trusted contract addresses and the correct chain ID, not just a collection name or image. Never reveal private member data, gated links, or moderator instructions. Require explicit confirmation before minting, claiming, paying, or calling a contract. Then monitor behavior patterns including spam, impersonation, phishing prompts, and reward farming. Good agents protect access as carefully as they automate it. The big idea is that ownership can become an AI interface. Agents can verify NFT access, support communities with context, and help creators monetize through gated experiences, rewards, and payments. Next, we build toward autonomous on-chain systems that monitor events and trigger payment or escrow workflows safely.